how to make a guy choose you over her. In any event, when the opposition is solid, there are a few methods for getting a man to like you more than another person. The following are 5 tips that work when you're initially beginning, and 1 dependable method for making a man need you. Don't forget to click the link below this video to learn more about how to make a guy choose you over her. 1. In case he doesn't appear to decide, ask him directly. Now and again, being the person who really asks or says their assumptions is the thing that should be done to get what you need. Here is what women will more often than not fail to remember way too often when there's a man they put their focus on. In the event that he doesn't see your worth, better to get somebody who does. In case he doesn't respond when you say you really want to have an engagement, or on the other hand assuming that he continues slowing down, he won't take you seriously. 2. Cause your rival to lose interest. This one is extremely slippery and may likewise be done secretly. Assuming that she meets another person she's keener on, she'll probably quit seeking after him. Then, at that point, you fundamentally have a more accessible way to him. The main issue is that he may discover and hate you for it. 3. Don't generally make yourself accessible. In the event that you've been looking out for him for some time and he's been taking longer than necessary to decide, the most straightforward method for giving him a motivator to decide is to quit being available to him so easily. The critical thing here is to do this as quietly as you could and pretend that is actually nothing to you. 4. Be enticing, however, appear to be somewhat less intrigued. Fundamentally, you need him to acknowledge you're into him and that you are intriguing. Nonetheless, you don't need him to be forced vigorously into dating you. The justification for why you would rather not put the pressure on him is on the grounds that men like a little pursuit, and will generally see ladies who turn over for them with a specific measure of scorn. 5. Stare at him in the eyes for some time. An approach to really get a person to fall further enamored with you is quite simple: visually connect for 5 seconds. Doing this routinely will in general cause us to feel more at ease with the individual with us, and furthermore will in general make us believe there's a more profound association than there truly is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. And to learn more about how to make a guy choose you over her, click the link below this video.